After installation, first connect the power supply, 3 live wires and 1 neutral wire. A green light indicates correct wiring, while a red light indicates an error. Simply swap any 2 live wires to correct this. Release the emergency stop, then turn on the first ozone switch on the panel. The indicator light will turn on. Next, turn on the ozone switch on the machine itself to activate the ozone system. Turn on the switch for water pump 1 to start it. Turn on the switch for water pump 2 to start it. Turn on the vibration switch to start the vibrating screen. Turn on the drum switch to start the drum. The drum speed is adjustable.